Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox items on mobile. First, you'll need to download the Roblox Studio app from your device's app store. Make sure your mobile device has at least 4 GB of RAM to ensure smooth operation while creating. Once installed, simply log in using your existing Roblox account, and you'll be ready to dive into the world of mobile item creation. This initial setup is crucial for a seamless experience. Now that you're set up, let's design your first item. Head over to the Create tab inside the Roblox Studio app. You can choose from various templates to get a head start, or begin with a completely blank canvas for full creative freedom. Use the intuitive touch controls to manipulate and shape your object, adjusting its size and dimensions with precision. Experiment with different forms to bring your vision to life. Once your item has its basic shape, it's time to add some flair. Explore the extensive asset library to find textures and colors that complement your design. You can apply these directly to your object with a few taps. For more intricate touches, utilize the sculpting and painting tools to add fine details, giving your item a unique and polished look. Remember, thoughtful detailing can significantly elevate your creation. Finally, it's time to share your amazing creation with the world. After saving your item, you'll need to configure its properties, including a clear name and a descriptive explanation. Once everything is set, you can easily upload your item to the Roblox platform directly from the app. This makes it available for other players to discover and enjoy. Share your work with friends and the community to get feedback and showcase your talent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.